NPC Unanimous Agreements. Unanimous Agreement number 1, Panhellenic Creed. Unanimous Agreement number 2, Jurisdiction of Panhellenic Association and Collegiate and Alumni. Both Unanimous Agreement number 1 and number 2 are important, but we're not going to go over those today as part of the training, but it is important for you to know what those are. We will go ahead and move forward into Unanimous Agreement number 3, which talks about the Panhellenic Compact. The first part of the Panhellenic Compact of Unanimous Agreement number 3 is the conditions of P&M eligibility, and then why it's important for recruitment. For example, you need to tell us who can be a P&M and who's eligible for formal recruitment, and those that are regularly matriculated undergraduates, so we do not want any high schoolers. That's not part of this. Has not previously been initiated in an NPC organization. Transfer students who are formally pledged, not initiated. Former pledges whose chapter charter was dissolved. So these are the folks who are eligible for formal recruitment. If a P&M declines her bid, she is ineligible to pledge another organization until the next primary recruitment. A P&M can decline her bid but later accept it, if the chapter extending that bid allows it. If a P&M has not extended a bid during formal recruitment, she can COB. If a P&M accepts her bid but breaks pledge before initiation, she is ineligible to pledge the same or another organization until the next primary recruitment. COB agreements are also binding, like the MRA-BA. If a P&M accepts her bid and transfers to another school, her pledge is broken. She is eligible to pledge any organization at earliest opportunity to do so. Unanimous Agreement number 4, Standards of Ethical Conduct. We have standards. This is why it is important, because we all agree to follow the unanimous agreements. We promote harmony among the Panhellenic community. We have no rating or ranking of the sororities. Members cannot tell a P&M to accept or refuse a bid from an organization or only preference one sorority. That is not allowed. No talking about other sororities. Promoting friendly relations between all the organizations is what we're about. There is also no hazing. Unanimous Agreement number 6, College Panhellenic Association Agreement. The general gist of this agreement is that we regulate the relationship between member organizations and the local Panhellenic Association. Why is this important for recruitment? Because in terms of regulating recruitment, we're going to be COBing to reach total. We also prohibit the use of alcoholic beverages in recruitment activities. That is not allowed. No men helping with recruitment. All members, alumni, and new members bound by these rules. P&Ms must sign membership agreements for informal or formal recruitment. And regulating bidding. In terms of regulating bidding, P&M rejects a bid, not a snap bid. So this means if she signs an MRA-BA, ineligible for any form of recruitment until the next primary recruitment period is where we're at with that. Regulate bidding. If a P&M rejects a bid, not a snap bid, and if she signs the MRA-BA, she is ineligible for any form of recruitment until the next primary recruitment period. She can repledge with the organization that gave her a bid at that point, once the next primary recruitment period begins. COBing, or continuous open bidding, refers to when a P&M and a witness must sign a COB acceptance. This is a part of informal recruitment.